6 brands all happening at Beach Gallery for 2 days, 11th and 12th of February. We have some beautiful handwork pieces, something like this in short, again 3-piece set, 2-piece set, some kaftans in short and long. Not to forget, we have some stunning jewelry options, again some beautiful customized piece also. This is all happening at Beach Gallery. And अगर collection देखना है तो swipe left.
Hi, my brand name is Vestito. We have 3-piece suits, kaftans like these, tissue.
Nice.
3-piece suits in Malchanderi and silk. We have tissue dresses.
Lovely.
We have this type of different colors. This type of gaji kurtas which you can wear in cream pant. In cottons we have like these corsets. This type of corsets
थोड़ा
you
western
can wear in
concept.
summer. Even we have this type of cuts and tops. And then
हम शुदेवियम फेस्टिव कलेक्शन के साथ समर कलेक्शन भी है. टिश्यू प्लाजो वी हैव समथिंग इन अ पैठनी एंड समथिंग इन दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्क ड्रेसेस आल्सो वी आर हैविंग. दिस इज इन अ क्रेप. वी हैव बंदेज आल्सो. नाउ मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विद द वेलवेट ब्लाउजेस. We have this different kind, and dupatta is also available in this. And we have this kind of shirts, kaftan shirts also. We are making blazers also. We are customizing all kind of things from your fabric also. And we have this kind of
Marodi
things
work.
also, Marodi work. This is the boho dress we are having. We have this kind of gharchola dresses also. Now moving forward with the summer collection, we have this kind of skirt tops, simply tops. We have the cord set, cotton wear. Now moving forward, we have the dress.
This is brand Violet and they are providing up to 20% off. So this first entire rack is 10% off only for 2 days at Beach Gallery. Let me show you the collection. We have something in tissue. These are 3-piece sets. Then we have Banarsi pieces also. Very nice. तो इसमें आपको 10% ऑफ मिल जाएगा फ्लैट. राइट, वेरी प्रिटी. एंड दिस सेक्शन इज प्रोवाइडिंग फ्लैट 20% ऑफ. तो कुछ भी आप पिक करोगे तो उसमें 20% ऑफ मिल जाएगा. लॉन्ग ड्रेसेस है, अनारकलीज है, 2-piece सेट, समथिंग विद श्रग. Oh, nice. Okay. And this one.
Hello, my brand name is Table Toes and we deal in all handwork, Zardoshi work. This is double cushion heels. It will be comfortable for you to wear all day long. We have options in sneakers as well. Something in loafer heels. Dr. Soul is our specialty. You will get sizes up to 43. We have options in open toes. Then we also have options in jutis. Something in flat like the one I'm wearing. Velvet heels is also available.
And then we have tableware also. This is extra, which is completely dishwasher safe and microwave safe. वेरी वेरी हाइजीनिक. एंड अगर आप कॉम्बोज लेते हो तो उसमें आपको ऑफर्स मिल जाएंगी. दिस इज द एंटायर कॉम्बो ऐसे में. जैसे डिशेज
10% off is going.
10% off is going. This is brand Heart of Sunray, and if you like what she is wearing, then we have more color options and anything can be customized. Colors and size. Right, that's the first one. We have something like this. Beautiful. Handwork के साथ. Pretty.
We have dresses with dupattas. We have semi-festive.
Semi-festive wear.
We have dress in bandhani. And we have introduced our summer collection.
Okay, summer wear. Colors के options भी हैं. These are the dresses. Oh, nice.
We have short kurtis.
Shirt, kurti.
Hi, my name is Devanshi. This is my brand Inara. So we have sets like these. This is one of our new pieces.
These are all statement pieces and in the best quality. Look at that. These are only earrings. जिसमें आपको western and ethnic both options. Then we have something in long. These are all beautiful moonlight also. Check these out. Lovely pieces. We have chokers like this. Super pretty. Then we have bags. We have rings.
Small chokers.
These are the bracelets, kadas. सारे स्टड्स के ऑप्शंस हैं. लॉन्ग इयरिंग.